In this video, I'm going to be talking about new drivers. Now, who qualifies as a new driver? Well, a new driver is someone of any age in their first 2 years of passing their test, and this is known as their probationary period. So what happens when a new driver commits offences during the probationary period and picks up penalty points? Well, the law says this, that if you pick up 6 or more penalty points during your probationary period, your licence is automatically revoked, and the DVLA does this on its database and writes to you to tell you that this has been done. It means that you can only drive again normally when you've taken your test again, and until that happens you can only drive accompanied with L plates on a provisional licence which you have to apply for. So are there any other consequences of a revocation of a driving licence? Well, the answer is yes. For many young people and for others whose employment depends on holding a full licence, if they suddenly can't drive a company vehicle or a company van, if they're apprentices and trainees, the employment consequences can be serious for them. And I'm very often asked, what can I do to help in situations like this? So what can I do for a new driver faced with this problem? Well, a court hearing is going to be needed, and what I will do in court is seek to persuade the court to impose a different sentence to the penalty points, because if the points can be avoided, so can the revocation be avoided. What can the court do? Well, as an alternative to points, it can impose a short discretionary disqualification, 7, perhaps 14 days. Most courts, in my experience, are quite sympathetic with a young person facing serious job consequences, perhaps as a result of 1 or 2 relatively innocuous road traffic offences. But it's all down to presentation of the material in court, which is what I do. So if any of you as new drivers have got questions relating to this issue, then don't hesitate to give me a ring or drop me an email, and I can talk through with you the most effective way to present your case to give you the best chance of avoiding a licence revocation.